We would like to take a quick moment to mahalo our operations uncles and aunties. We mahalo Uncle Ken, Uncle Fred, and our maintenance group, Auntie Dana, and our grounds and custodial crew for joining us today. We appreciate all that you do every day, but today we would like to extend our aloha specifically to all of you. We mahalo you for keeping our campus clean and beautiful. We feel grateful every day when we come to school. It reminds us to appreciate all that we are blessed with. It also reminds us of our kuleana, to our kupuna, our ʻohana, and our lahui, which is to malama what we have and give back so those who come after, so they can thrive as we do. Mahalo for making sure our school equipment, buildings, and classrooms are always in top shape. You provide us with the best conditions which allow us to focus on learning so we can do the best that we can do every day. On behalf of Kula Haʻahaʻa, Haumana, faculty, and staff, we present you with these goodie baskets filled with ʻohana, makana provided by our Haumana and ʻohana, and our oli mahalo to show our appreciation.
And I just wanted to mahalo you also for your gratitude. Your appreciation means so much to us. And study hard, listen to your kumu, and have a wonderful day. Mahalo. Mahalo.